Hello everyone. Wanna hide the NFC icon on your Android status bar? Here's how to do that. So first of all, you're to open up your Galaxy Store. After that, let's tap on the search icon in the top right corner. And now you're to install the Good Lock app. This is an app which contains a lot of plugins for the Samsung phone. So let's search for Good Lock app. And let's install it. So simply press install and give it some time to be installed. It won't take much. Great, it's installed. Now let's simply press open. Press agree and continue. So now we gotta find a correct plugin. So let's scroll through the list of plugins and let's search for the Quick Start plugin. There it is. Simply tap on the install icon and let's give it some time to be installed. Great, now let's open it up and let's activate it. So let's tap on the switch. It's activated. Now let's press visibility of indicator icons. Go through the list until you locate your NFC. There we are. Simply tap on it to turn it off and basically you are done. So now when you're gonna perform your payments or any other or NFC technology is going to be implied in any other way, you won't see any icon. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.